So go ahead and let's just stop and get this idea into your book that, onto your packet, that dropping temperatures and rising humidity are the conditions that allow clouds and storms to form. And looking back at some of this data from Weather Underground, I believe this weather forecast was from last year, February, but you can see that there was a rainy, stormy period here. And looking at the data, the red line is temperature, and there definitely was a decrease in temperature relative to the pattern that had been happening. And also at the same time, we see that the humidity had an increase and remained pretty high here for a while. So this is what these patterns can look like in real data. So a little bit messier, but the trends are still there, absolutely. All right, well, where does the moisture come from? Water cycle, of course. So to get moisture into the air, it comes from the ground, right? So we have evaporation from any surface water. Whoops, need to turn on the pen before it works. Evaporation from surface water, rivers, lakes, all of that, and then also from plants, right? They transpire, which releases moisture into the air. So evaporation and transpiration. This, I need to figure out how to make that not happen. Evaporation and transpiration, otherwise known as evapotranspiration, put moisture into the air. So that's where it comes from. And this is a nice little review. If you want to use it to get this information into your packet, go ahead and pause here. And then make sure you get the science idea into your packet as well. So there we go.